Hi everyone, welcome back to another new video. This is Praveenkumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS, Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. And previously you will watch the video that was input-output organization, and this video is continues for the digital components. And the digital components is used nothing one. It's peripheral devices. It's a input-output contents and the communications with the external environment is essential for a computer. And the commercial computers have various input-output devices, and the output devices display or store the result. The peripheral devices for the input and output, all the hardware and the software devices to called the peripheral devices. And for example, the keyboard, printers, terminals, the magnetic disk, this is also peripheral devices. The input-output processor, there is the called to IOQ, the controls information transfer. This is used the 8-bit input and the output register for data exchange. And the alpha alphanumeric representation. So this stands for the American stands code for information interchange. It is the character encoding standard that has been a functional element in computing for decoders. Use the 7 bits to encode 128 character. Modern used to often store the 8-bit byte with the high bit set of zeros. And the historical background for the ACL has a rich history dating back to its development in the early 1960s. The originating from telegraph code and Morse code. The computer system architecture and the organization, the overview for nothing one, the central processing unit, memory and input output devices, and the core functional very high. It's also components to use in the functional components of your digital computer include the input unit, which takes in data, the CPU which process data, which is control unit, the arithmetic logic unit, and the register, the memory unit, which stores data temporarily or permanently, the output unit. The functional components of a computer are the key parts that work together to process and managing data. The receiving data, the CPU for processing, it is the memory unit for the storing information. The register the data, the transfer language RTL describe the data movement, and the output unit for displaying result, and the bus system that connects all parts this perform takes efficiently. The basic computer instruction cycle for the there are the 7 types. The first type for the instruction cycle. This is the fetch and decode expression sequence, and the subclasses for fetch, decode, and read efficiently, address and execute. And the decode phase for the decode with 3 into 8 decode. The interact addressing for the AR and the efficient address. They execute the phase for perform operation like add LDA. There are the after execution sequence and the computer result to counter result to 0. This is the mind map for the computer system fundamentals, the peripheral devices, and the computer architecture organization, the register transfer language, the instruction cycle, the alphanumeric representations. Already we are the previously topics the input output organization and the topics you will clearly explain and you not watching the video. I will giving the link. You will watching that video. Must watch and thank you so much watching this video. Thank you.